In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue of Monopoly Go not loading. If you are finding that the game is not loading properly or is taking too long to load, there are a few simple steps you can follow to resolve the problem. First, try restarting the game. Just close the game and open it again to see if it fixes your issue. If it didn't fix your issue, then restart your device. To restart your device, press and hold either volume button and the side button until the power off slider appears. And then drag the slider and wait a couple of seconds for your device to turn off. Then turn your device back on, open the Monopoly Go app, and see if it's fixed or not. Another thing you can do is make sure you don't have any other apps open in the background while playing Monopoly Go. Make sure you only have the game open. If you have other apps or games open in the background, close them. Also, you need to have more than 20% battery to play the game smoothly. If you have less than 20% battery, that might cause issues with the game. What you can also do is try updating your game to the latest version because your issue might be a bug or a glitch with the app itself. To do that, open the App Store and search for Monopoly Go. And then, if the game has a new update available, go ahead and update it. The final thing you can try to do to resolve this issue is to update the iOS version. To do that, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General. After that, tap Software Update. It will check for new updates. If you have a software update available, then go ahead and update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these solutions fixes your issue, and you'll be able to play Monopoly Go. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.